In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remonetize your demonetized channel for reused content. So, for context, you can see July 15th, monetization not approved. We tried to apply, but they denied our ass because YouTube is a little bit zesty. However, we have now officially gotten back watch page ads. We're now a YouTube partner program again. So I'm going to show you specifically what we've done in our appeal video. And you can actually see that I'm going through these videos on my freelancer sent me. We have two appeal videos that we've made, right? This was the first one where we showed everything, but YouTube doesn't care about seeing everything. They care about one very specific thing, which is showing, number one, the actual editing and the transformative content, and number two, the intention behind the transformative content. So I'm going to play it for you right over here so you can see the owner of this, how we kind of made this video. We first showed that we got reused content, and we said that we wanted to challenge it. And then we kind of showcased exactly how we gather the footage. We literally pay $150 just for accessing the footage for some of these videos on our Faceless YouTube channel. And we even showed them the script. And this is the most important part. I said something right over here, which I want you to analyze.
Videos, so we don't even use tools like 11 Labs for our videos. All the commentary is done by a real person, and the use of AI is basically zero. You can see the script I sent him and the voiceover that he did.
A week earlier,
I'm basically showing them how this is not AI generated. We used a real human being, and we showed the guy's face, which is literally our freelancer. And from there, we showed the intention behind the editing. This is the most important part that YouTube wants to see. Look.
Videos and edited properly, all the voiceovers, data gathering, subtitles, adding pepper commentary, and giving our opinion as well. Explaining, you can see it.
Please. Give us a second. Here's what she's being arrested for. A week earlier, she and her fiance carried their 5-month-old twins into a hospital.
So I'm basically just telling YouTube, look how much intention I've added. I made sure that we added this music so that way the viewers can feel this certain way. And this is not something that's replicable because technically AI and Claude can edit videos for you now. So it's all about the value and the intent behind the editing and what was the human thought process behind it. You show YouTube those two things, bro, I promise you're going to get monetized. I've seen this before on my other clients who got demonetized as well. And boom, they got reinstated with monetization. So give this a shot and let's print some cash.